Ngucanio cia Utongoria kaunti-ini ya Machakos na iria ciĩyumĩragia kaingĩ gatagatĩ ka ngavana wa kaunti na MCAs a mbunge ya Machakos rĩu ironeka gũkorwo ikinyĩte mũthia thutha wa mucemanio wa othe ya mũthenya wa ira. Hĩndĩ ya mucemanio ũcio no rĩo ũrekinyĩtio nĩ atongoria ngathĩ itiganĩte kuma kaunti ĩno maraiguithaniirie kurutithania wira kwa hamwe hatarĩ gũkũrana mĩthingi ya kĩũteti.
Machakos cannot be compared to other counties in Kenya today. We are way above that. So as we say we are going to work together, let us work together and not fight development. And let us not just concentrate on the small things. Let's look at the bigger picture. Let us be an industrialized county. Tiwo?
Ũndũ ũyũ ũkĩte thikũ nini thutha wa gũteanĩrio gwa cira ũrĩa ũrandĩkithĩtio nĩ mũteti wa vinyandetia kĩenda ũhotani wa ngavana Mutua gũteanĩrio. Ũndũ ũrĩa igoti inene mwena wa Machakos rĩrareganire naguo.
I ask you to observe good governance. And good governance calls us to be people of integrity, to be people who are transparent, to be people who are accountable to the people that we serve. We must always be the sources of unity and peace amongst our people. And we must put our county ahead of our personal interests, political ambitions, and even from the different political persuasions and pursuits.
Politics is over. Let us come together. If you're here to critique in a wise way. If you're here to contribute and give it your best. The people of Machakos County are watching. They need development. They want to see us move from one level to another level.
Even if we are going to fight as a family, because families, there are always problems. Problem will arise. We are not angels. We are humans. And certainly they will come. I'm saying before we move to fight each other, I think it's high time we invite these gentlemen. No one should ever resist against the hour when the people of God want us to sit and see where is the problem.
Agĩtũgĩria ũndũ ũyũ ngavana Mutua nĩeranĩire gũtabania mĩtaratara ya ũnyitanĩri wa mũingĩ na honge cia andũ kĩũmbe nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra ũthii wa na mbere na wagacĩra makĩria kaunti-inĩ ĩyo ya Machakos. Ngĩribatara Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Mwaura wa Gunya.